Alright everyone, now that you've created an account under Flikr, the very first thing I would suggest you do, which is quite easy, is simply click on Upload. Upload will allow you to pick and choose photos and videos from your device that you can easily drag and drop onto this screen, or you can also click on Add. I'm going to click on the Choose Photos and Videos tab. I will click on Pictures. To retrieve pictures from my device, I will click on my daughter Elise, who is always so very photogenic. I will click on Communion Pictures and add a few of her photos from her first communion. So I will just highlight and drag and drop. Now that your photos are on this main page, you can go to each one individually and change the title of each. Once you are done, you can add people, and what this means is that you can add a group of people or just certain individuals that you want to be able to have access to these photos. Now they cannot edit these photos, they can just view them. You can add albums, which I have already created a First Communion album, so I will just say that I want these added to the First Communion album. I'll click on that and then put Done, or you can create a new album at that time. You can also add groups of people to share these photos with, and you are welcome to change your owner settings, which can make this private or public to viewers. Once you are done, you can simply, and before I get to the end of that, you also have these options of changing the size, sorting, and rotating your photos. You can also add and remove photos at this time. Once you're done with that, you can click on Upload, and then you have this little text box that tells you that there are 3 photos that are public for viewing, and they're under one album. Click on Upload. That will process, and now once it's done processing, it will take you to a home screen, and that will show you your photo stream. And now I apologize as this is taking a bit longer than I expected. Let me pause this for a second while it uploads, and I'll continue in just a bit. Alright, now that it's done uploading the photos, as I said, it takes you back to your home screen and where you can see your photo stream. This will save all of the photos that you've uploaded. You can click on Albums to view the albums that you've created. As you can see, I've only created 2, First Communion and Air Show, and they are both about Elise, who is my favorite little person in the whole wide world. Then you can click on Favorites, and this is basically your favorite photos. And you can make neat little creations with photos. You can create wall art or photo books, which is what I would recommend for your students. And I think they would have a great time with this. Once you are done, and this is about it, you can continue to explore and add photos or explore with videos. If you would like some additional tutorials, I would suggest logging on to youtube.com. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation.